Hi everybody, it's time to take off this cable from this transformer because I don't need it anymore. I don't need 700 amps for anything, so I'm gonna take away these windings so this transformer can take much less room, because it actually fills up that little space here. It's a big transformer and the wires are just hanging all over the place. So I'm going to take off the wire, this fat 185 square millimeter, take the connectors off, and I'm going to fix that bulge. Actually, wires came out of the connector. And let's see how it goes. And so I got one of these connectors. These are actually connectors for transformers, distribution transformers. There you can see the hole. And that hole gets attached to one of these insulators. This one on the distribution transformer. So that's a low voltage out. That actually connects there. But this one is for a very bigger transformer. This one was from a small transformer. I think this one was 100 kVA. No, this one was a 50 kVA, and this one was a 200 kVA transformer. And this one is also 50 kVA, so it's a pretty small insulator transformer. And this kind of connectors are actually made for aluminium wires. That wire you see on the power poles that calls AMCA here. That's twisted power line. Not so common in US, but in Finland and Sweden there's a lot of AMCA wire. There's like 3 phase wires rolled together and one uninsulated pen wire around it, aluminium, protected earth neutral wire, and all twisted together on the poles, small poles. It's all 4 twisted together. And this one has to 120 square millimeter and to 300 square millimeter. Think of it smaller ones in there, but the maximum rating is 300 here. 120 here. And here's the connector. And this connector here is a much smaller one. And this one is 240 square millimeter aluminum wire. These are these different kind. This one is a junction where the AMCA wire, the twisted wire, actually goes to a little junction, and one goes through, another one comes out of that, maybe into a meter panel and into a house, and one for each phase, and the pen. And just a close look on it, 50 to 240 square millimeter aluminium wire, but I use copper for it. And yes, here's a size comparison between those two. And that's at 185, and this one is at 10 square millimeter. And now the wire is out. Very heavy wire. And there's the toroidal. Yes, I see this motorsäker. Very good transformer. It's pretty big. And now I tape the ends of these wires to just protect it, just from they get damaged. So I can use this to connect it to the connectors again. You can see much less room is taken. And now you can see where it was before, the wires, cables everywhere. So now 10 centimeter more space there. Cable. Where should I put this? That one. Found a place. Yes, that worked good. Fits perfectly in there. Oh, backup power battery. 85 amp hours. Do anyone have any ideas for what I can do with these insulators? I have no idea what I can do with this. Yes, one idea is to drill a hole in the ceiling and hang them on there. But they are a bit too heavy and I don't want them to fall down. So if you got any ideas what I can do with this, please comment. Thanks for watching.